In this video, I'll show you how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, the easiest way is by simply swiping down from the watch face to access the control center and then find the Do Not Disturb icon, which is this one. Tap on it and then you should see turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and then you should see a brief description of what it's all about. Or simply tap on the check mark and that will enable Do Not Disturb mode, okay? Alternatively, you can simply go to settings. So press on the crown button once to access all the applications, and then go to settings, tap on it, and then within the settings, scroll down and select sound and vibration, tap on that, and then scroll down until you find Do Not Disturb. Here it is, tap on that, and then you can see from here you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode. Additionally, you can see an option called Customize. You can tap on that, and then you can customize the Do Not Disturb mode feature. So you can either choose to enable and disable calls from starred contacts, or repeated callers, alarm and timers, and media sounds, okay? So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.